couple questions that we get asked sometimes about Active Pneumatic Downforce is, does it work with my current planter?
Right, and that's a very open question that we like to talk about at the dealership, right? Especially we either bring in guys like us with the precision department and with the salesmen, because there are many different iterations that we can add this downforce to, and we can go way back to 90s or 2000 planters all the way up to current models. We can actually still put active pneumatic down on.
Mm-hmm. Yeah. Another question we get asked sometimes is it complicated to run? And ultimately, I would say no, it's not that complicated to run. Everything that is done inside your tractor cab from your display.
Right.
Whether it is a Gen 4 or a Gen 5 display, you can make it work fairly easily. The next question we get asked the most often is, does it adjust row by row?
Right. And it's yes and no, right? So we're monitoring depending on the size of the planter. If it's 12 row, 24 row, right? We're really looking at about 2 sensors for pressure, at least up to maybe 4 if it's a larger one. And we're taking that input from those 4 sensors and adjusting if we see any losses, if we need to go firmer or if we need to go softer. But we're still pulling ride quality information from each row. So that's kind of where I would say we're pulling row by row, but the adjustment isn't necessarily row by row, right?
Yeah, I would say one of the biggest things is if you're asking yourself, well, why would I put this onto my planter? Why or how does this fit into my operation? There's a couple things I would think about. The first one is are you looking to enter into the future of John Deere technology, right? Are you looking to take that next step? Are you tired of replacing your spring every year or adjusting your spring? Or are you tired of it getting stuck? Whatever it might be. We have this technology to offer at a pretty budget-friendly option, right? Not too complicated to install by either you as the farmer yourself or us here at the dealership.
Right, correct.
Ultimately, I would say if you have questions or you want to know more about it, reach out to us here at the Precision team at Hutson or contact your local Hutson salesman.